Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs in Telugu States. So today I am going to upload one more question paper. This is a very latest library science question paper. Punjab Public Service Commission examination held yesterday. So 18th July this is conducted. So this question and answer, this is a tentative answer key friends. So I am explaining each and every question and answers friends. Viewers, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Please click on bell icon for more updates, more question paper in future also. So friends, this in this question paper 60 questions from library science. I am explaining only library science questions. Rest of questions I am not going to explain. So only library science questions very useful for those who are preparing various competition examinations. So first to 61 onwards 120, 60 to 120 library science question friends. So first question, which of the following systems is used to allot book numbers? So right option all are the correct. Cutter author table, Merrill's author table, Ranganathan book number system. So my answer, this is tentative answer key. We will wait for final answer key, that is hosted in website Punjab Public Service Commission Board website. This is tentative friends. So if any mistake, please consider and go through that. First, all of the above is the right answer. 61D is the right answer. 62, DESDAC is the previously known as, everyone knows. So this is a SIB. B is the right answer. 62 B correct answer friends. Scientific Information Bureau, SIB, is formed in the year 1963 friends. I think 63 SIB formed. Later it is named as a DESDAC in the year 1970. DESDAC, if question is given, DESDAC is started and established year 1970. SIB started 1963. So Scientific Information Bureau, DESDAC earlier name. So next question number 63 friends, the headquarters of IASLIC, Indian Association of Special Library Information Centers, everyone knows is in the year, it is started in the year 1955. It is located at Calcutta. Is a previous question, easy question, simple one friends. So Calcutta is the right answer friends. Next question number 64, research sharing is a part of library corporation. Library cooperation, research sharing is a part of library cooperation. This is management related question friends. Out of 4 options, 64 right option A friends. This is a previous question friends. Next 65, question number 65, what is the full form of UAP? Universal availability of publication. Universal availability of, highlighted one is the right answer friends. Yellow, that is yellow highlighted one is the right answer. B correct answer. Universal availability of publication, UAP is given by IFLA friends. Some more points I am question related points, some more also I am explaining for recollect the knowledge. So 65B is the right answer friends. 66th, who created National Union Catalog for Scientific Serials in India? NUCSSI. Some examinations it is asking, what is NUCSSI? It means a National Union Catalog of Scientific Serials in India. So it is given by NISCARE friends. It is started by NISCARE. So A is the right answer. 66th, everyone knows NISCARE located at Delhi. This is science related one. And NISCARE is all its ISSN number. ISSN number consists of 8 digits. So I am explaining more points based on question trends. NUCSSI means National Union Catalog for Scientific Serials in India. 66th A correct answer. Next 67th, who is called father of INB, Indian National Bibliography? Who is the father? So B.S. Keshavan is the right answer friend. Out of 4 options, A is the right one. 67th A correct option friends. And one more, once again I am explaining, this is the tentative answer key, this is not final answer key. Based on my knowledge I am giving answers friends. So B.S. Keshavan is the right answer. So 67th A is the correct answer. Other option Kelvin Morse, S.R. Ranganathan, Eckert is given. So A is the right option. 67th question, A correct answer. Next question number 68, friends. Question number 68. How many entities group does FRB, a functional requirement of bibliographic records? FRBR means functional requirement of bibliographic records. Is also a very important one, friends. So this is a previous question, important question. Four entities, friends. Four entities in FRBR are so 68th B is the right answer, friends. 69th question, which is the best source to know about the climate of Himachal Pradesh? So this is a geographical related question, but a library science question, friends. So each and every examination I already uploaded 13 question papers so far through my channel. Please, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and read the question papers thoroughly. It's very useful, friends. I am uploading so many question papers in future also. So this is the latest question paper conducted by Punjab Public Service Commission. So PSSSB examination held yesterday. So based on my knowledge, I am giving prepared tentative answer for library aspirants. So which is the best source know about the climate of Himachal Pradesh? Is B, Gazetteer. Gazetteer is the right answer. Out of 4 option, B is the correct one. Next, 70th question, the notational system of colon classification, CC. Colon classification everyone knows in the year of 1933 by S.R. Ranganathan. So what is the notational system used in colon? Mixed notation, B is the right answer. In CC, mixed notation used out of 4 options. B is the correct one, friends. So CC started in the year 1933 by S.R. Ranganathan. Which of the following is a night kind of bibliography? Out of 4 options, various types of bibliography is given, except one is not a type of bibliography. Please find out that one. So trade, statistical, universal and private bibliography. Private bibliography is not there, friends. So universal, well known. Statistical, trade is everyone knows, friends. So these 3 are types of bibliographies. A, C, D are types of bibliography, except B, private bibliography is not a bibliography. So next 72 question, friends. Entry that goes into a catalog for parts or chapters of a document referred as a class index entry. This is a previous question, uses a net examination, friends. 72 D is the right answer. Entry that goes into a catalog for parts or chapters of a document referred as a class index entry. D is the right answer. 72 out of 4 option, D correct answer. Next 73 question number 73, the headquarters of ALA located at headquarters, everyone knows, American Library Association. It is formed 1876. It is located at Chicago. So this previous question, important question. A is the right answer. 73. 74, which is the primary source of information in library science? So everyone knows 3 types of information: primary, secondary and tertiary source of information. So 4 options given: bibliography, dictionary, the directory and patent. Is a easy fundamental bit. Patent, abstract, conference proceedings, so article, these all are all patents are primary source of information. D, patent is the primary source of information. Bibliography of bibliographies, that is the tertiary source of information. Books, reference, textbook, dictionary, these are secondary source of information. So patent is the primary source of information. 74 D correct answer. 75, the geographic identifier in ISBN dash block and ISBN divided into parts. So which parts is a geographical identifier? So second is the my answer, friends. I am not sure this one, but based on my knowledge I am explaining. So second is that. So B is the right answer, friends. International Standard Bibliographic Number. This is allotted by Raja Ramohan Rai Library Foundation, RRRLF. Is located at Calcutta. ISBN consists of 13 digits. ISBN earlier 10 digits, now up 13 digits, friends. So international standard book number So geographical identifier in this question, geographical identifier in the ISBN is that second block. So B is the right answer, friends. Next question number 76. In circulation, discharging is known as return of the book. Charging means issue the book. So simple, friends. In nowadays automated libraries, everyone knows this term. This is a practical question, friends. In circulation, discharging means return the book. Charging means issue the book. So C is the right answer. 76 question. Next, 77 question. The libraries are associated with educational institutions known as, that is academic libraries. Simple, 4 option given: public, special libraries, academic libraries, national libraries. So simple one, friends. Special libraries means ICRISAT. These special the only special research oriented libraries are special libraries. Public run, anyone can go and read this public without any age group, without any race. So anyone can access public libraries. Academic libraries, the right answer. 77 B correct answer, friend. 78, which of the following organizations applied library information policy in India at national level? Which following organization applied library information policy in India national level? Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation is the my answer, friend. But I'm not sure this is a I'm not sure, friends. Please check, go through Google and any other reference sources. 78th, my answer is RRRLF, but I'm not sure, friends. So we will wait for final answer key. Next, 79th question. S.R. Ranganathan is working librarian in the University of Madras Libraries. Important question, previous question. Everyone knows father of library science, S.R. Ranganathan. So the University of Madras Library. 79C right answer. 80th question. Question number 80, which of the following shelving systems is used to stock a large collection of rarely used documents? So this is also doubtful question, friends. It's a very tough question, never seen before any examinations also. So based on my knowledge, I'm not sure. So answer A, my opinion, answer A, maybe A. So please wait for final answer, okay, friends. Which of the, I will repeat question once again. Which of the following shelving systems is used to stock a large collection of rarely used documents? Double row on fixed shelves. My answer, but this is a tentative answer key. I'm not sure, friends. So please final confirmation. We will check through final answer key, friends. So 80A is my answer. So 81 question, dash are the means of procuring documents. So this answer is a purchase. Purchase is the means for procuring of documents. Procuring that nothing but purchase. 81C is the right answer, friends. Next question number 82. Question number 82, friends. According to AACR, to Anglo-American cataloging rules, to the book illustration in physical description is preceded by colon, friends. Colon is the right answer, friends. According to AACR, Anglo-American cataloging rule 2, the book illustration in physical description is preceded by colon. Colon is the right answer. 4 options: comma, semicolon, full stop, colon given. D, colon is the right answer. 82D. Next, 83, a variant to second law of library science is, everyone knows in practical application type of this question given. Everyone knows 5 laws of library science given by S.R. Ranganathan. Books for use, every reader is her book, every book its reader. Save the time of the reader, and library is a growing organism. This is the 5 laws. In this question, application type, second law is asking books for all. So what is second law? Everyone knows, every reader is her book. So books for all, nothing but books for all is the right answer. 83 C is the right answer out of 4 given alternatives. C correct answer. 83 question. Next, 84 question. Government of India set up a educational commission under chairmanship of Government of India formed a education commission. So many education commissions are formed after independence. 1948 some Radhakrishnan Commission is came, and 64 66 Kotari Commission. So this is important question, friends. Chairmanship of DS Kotari. 84 is A correct answer. 1964-66 means Kotari, and 48 means 1948 means Radhakrishnan Commission. So friends, go through elimination also we can find out easily answers. 84 A correct answer. 85 odd one out. Odd one out is out of 4 option, one is different one. The remaining 3 is related to same. Glossary means terms, list of terms. Lexicon is a dictionary. Thesaurus also the. So patent and standard is different one, friends. 85 D odd one out is D, patent and standard. Remaining 3 is same, particular to one topic. So 86th, who recommended a set of InflibNet? Everyone knows InflibNet is located Gujarat, Gandhinagar Information Library Network. It is recommended to set up by Yashpal committee. One committee is formed by Yashpal committee, and this is given recommendation to establish a InflibNet. So InflibNet developed software for university libraries. So InflibNet is very important, friends. Based on InflibNet, each and every examination we are coming 2-3 questions at least. To please focus on InflibNet. What is InflibNet, when it is started, which committee recommended, which software developed by InflibNet, which consortia is maintained by InflibNet. So these type of questions majorly focus, friends. Next, 86th out of 4 options, A is the right answer. 87th question, which of the following is the oldest and largest library association of the world? Everyone knows oldest and largest means American Library Association, ALA. So 87B is the right answer. So based on options we explain some more points. ASLIB, Association of Special Library Information Bureau. ASLIB was formed in the year 1924. I think IFLA 1927, International Federation of Library Associations and Institutions. 1927 it is formed. ASLIB 1924. ALA, everyone knows, American Library Association, 1876. ILA, Indian Library Association, I think it is 1933, friends. I'm not sure 33 or 34. ILA, I think 1933 it is formed. So oldest and largest library association is ALA. B correct answer. 87 B is the right answer. 88th question. Next question number 88, friends. The documents which becomes valueless after short period of time are called ephemeral material. This question never seen, this little bit tough, never seen any question paper any. So this is important question, friend. I will repeat 88th question once again. The documents which become valueless after short period of time are called ephemeral. A is the right answer, friends. So given 4 options, A is the right answer. Gray material, book bank reference, ephemeral material. So A is the right answer. Next, 89th question, which of the following is a new standard for bibliographic description? So everyone knows B is the right. Resource description, RDA, is the new standard of bibliographic description in the replacement of ACR 2, I think 2R. So resource description axis is the right answer. New standard of bibliographic description is the previous important question. 89th B right answer. Question number 90, how many auxiliary tables in DDC 23rd editions? Everyone knows it's 6, earlier 7 tables. So how many auxiliary tables in 23rd DDC edition? So 6 tables, it is earlier 7 tables. So 91 speed. So 890 question, A is the right answer. 91 speed and accuracy is imposed by which law of library science? So save, everyone knows, fourth law of library science is save the time of reader. So save the time means speed and accuracy is important. So these two are imposed which law of library science? Fourth, save the time of the reader. Fourth law is save the time of the reader. Next, fifth is library is a growing organism. So weeding is belongs to fifth law. Weed out of books. So development of library, fifth law. Next, 92 question number 92, friends. ILA was founded in the year 1933. Earlier This question came in this question paper when I am explaining options. ILF formed in the year 1933, friends. So D is the right answer, 92 D. Next to 93 question, UNESCO. This is a very important GK question also. This is a UNO established organization, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Please check this very carefully. A is the right option, 93 question. United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. Remaining options also little bit very similar with option A, but a little bit difference is there. So please read carefully, friends. United National Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization is the right answer. A correct option for given 4 alternatives. 93 A correct. 94, how many digits in ISSN number? Oh, everyone knows ISSN number is International Standard Serial Number. ISSN is given to serials. So ISSN number given by NISCARE. NISCARE located at Delhi. So it consists of 8 digits. If given question is ISBN, 13 digits is the right answer. So 94B is the correct answer, friends. Next question number 95. Question number 95. In the provision of phase relations in DDC was made and available from which of the following edition? Provision of phase relation in DDC, which edition phase relations are provision provided? So 14th edition, friends. This is tentative answer key, but based on EPG Pathshala source, right option I find the right answer. A 14th edition phase relations are added. So 95th question, A is the right answer, friends. This may be accurate. D is not a correct answer. So in this answer, two answers are highlighted, but final answer is A 14th. So we will wait for final answer key, friends. Next 96th question. The latest version of Soul released in February 2021. That is latest. This is latest innovation, latest point. Soul, everyone knows, software of university libraries. It's developed by Influnet. Now it is Soul 3.0. Earlier Soul 2.0 is released. So 2021, in this year February, Soul 3.0 is released. 96th C correct answer, friends. Next 97th, a link in which user is not like to be approached the document is called. A link in which user is not like to approach the document is called. Out of 4 options, this is UGC previous net question exam, so net exam question. Unsought link is the right answer. 97B correct answer, friends. B 97 out of 4 options: sought link, unsought link, missing link, false link given, unsought link. ULB is the right answer. 97. 98th question, RDA, resource description access. This is the previous question. So many question papers it is came already. I uploaded 13 question papers so far. So this is almost 10 question papers it is seen already. RDA means resource description option access. B is the right answer. Resource description access is the correct answer. RDA means. 99th question, phonic schedule. Phoenix schedules is part of DDC. Is important basic fundamental previous question. 99C. DDC is the right answer. 4 alternatives given: UDC, CCLC, DDC. C DDC correct. 100 question. Which of the following is a publication of IASLIC? IASLIC, Indian Association of Special Library Information Centers, published which publication? Indian Library Science Abstract. B is the right answer. Indian Library Science Abstract. If Annals of Library Information Science and Document, this is an ISCARE publication. So Indian Library Science, ILSA, Indian Library Science Abstract is published by IASLIC, Indian Association of Special Library Information Centers. So question number 100, B is the right answer. Next 101, question number 100. Which of the following describes the term of lexicography? This is important and very important question, previous question. It's seen so many examinations. B, compilation of dictionaries is called lexicography. So 101 B correct answer. Out of 4 options, B correct. 101. Question number 102, friends. Principle of maximum aggregate benefit. Principle of maximum aggregate benefit is concerned with which of the following purposes? So C, library service. So I am not sure exact answer this question 1 or 2. We will wait for final answer, friends. So my answer is C, library service. Principle of maximum aggregate benefit is concerned with which of the purposes? Library service. C, my answer is C, but I am not sure. This is not a accurate answer, my opinion. We will wait for a final answer, friends. So please this skip the 1 or 2 question number 1 or 2. Skip the answer. We will wait for final answer key. Next question number 1 or 3. Which of software is developed by InfluMnet? This already discussed, friends. Soul software for university libraries. Soul to 2021 releases Soul 3.0 version. So Koha Captive Communications released by Captive Communication New Zealand. Koha is a open source software. So friends, some more points also I am explaining. InfluMnet means 103 B correct answer. 104 a counter in a library where visitor can deposit these belongings. Those belong ante personal belongings, library users, visitors, where they are keeping personal belongings, that is not allowed into the library. So this is application and practical question. Those who are working in library professionals, everyone knows this important question. So property counter, any each and every academic libraries, any library, one property counter is kept to entrance of the library. When the users are coming into the library, they are keeping their personal belongings into the counter. That is called property counter. Out of 4 options, D is the right answer. 104 D. Next 105, libraries are gateways to knowledge. This is already explained in ISRO examinations also. Libraries are gateways to knowledge is a title of which report? National Knowledge Commission on Library 2007 report given as a libraries are gateways to the knowledge. A title given to the document of report of National Knowledge Commission on Libraries 2007. So 105 C correct answer. 106th question, 3-card system does not include. So everyone knows the 3-card system is check card, register card, classified index card. So check, register, classified index. So except B, bottom card is not included in 3-card system. B is not correct answer. So remaining 3 are 3-card systems, check card, register, class indexing card. So B is the not included in 3-card system. Bottom card, that is bottom card. 107, which of the following is not a collection of primary school library? School libraries which is not a record in school library. Folk tales, any school library is available. Arabian Nights novel, Panchatantra stories are novels, these available in school library. Legal books are not related to school library. So D is the right answer. 107 D correct answer. Next question number 108. Apupa pattern. Apupa. APUP. Apupa. What is U? Define what is U. Indicates umbral. Penumbral, umbral, like that. So Allen. A for Allen, like that. U denotes umbral. B. Apupa is B. Correct answer. 108 B is the right answer. 109, which is the National Bibliographic Agency of India? Everyone knows important and previous question. National Library of Calcutta is a national bibliographic agency in India. Out of 4 options, A is the correct option. One National Bibliographic Agency of India called National Library of Calcutta. It's a very big library in India. 110, question number 110, which of the following RFID component is attached to document for identification? So this is, I will repeat question once again. Which of the following RFID components is attached to the document for identification? Tag. So this is RFID consists of tag. Tag is always kept in inside of the book. So RFID nowadays very expensive technology. This is used in rich libraries and academic institution majorly using radio frequency identity detection. So this chip based technology, tag is kept inside of the book. So tag is the right answer. 110, question number 110 B correct answer. Question number 111, what is user profile consist of? The term user profile is SDI service, selective discrimination of information service. User profile is we already discussed. User profile consists of list of users. So right answer is A. Triple one A is the right answer of given four options. List of users. Question number 112. Who proposed SDI service in 1961? Selective dissemination of information. 1961 it is developed by HP Luhan. So D is the right answer. Four options given, friends. Everyone knows Ganesh Bhattacharya developed POPSI. So elimination process, so we can easily find out the answer. This previous question, important question, fundamental questions. When the library competition exams, sometimes we don't know the answer, go through the elimination process also we find out the answers. And given four options, some based on our knowledge, two three options are related to some other topics. So for example, in this question, Ganesh Bhattacharya, everyone knows, POPSI developer. Melville Dewey, the father, American Dewey school, he started Melville Dewey. So DDC related to Melville Dewey. So S.R. Rangana, father of library science. Peter Luhan is now SDI Peter Luhan. So 112 D is the right answer. 113 Brown charging system. Brown charging system came from which of the following countries? This came from USA. So important question. Previous question. 113 B is the right answer. Out of four option, B correct answer. 114 question number. The international who is example of biographical source. International who is a biographical source, friends. If question is given Indian who means that is also biographical source. So important, friends. 114 is a question already repeated so many examinations. So important, please watch this question carefully. Biographical source, international. So 114 A correct answer. Question number 115. How many number of volumes in Encyclopedia Britannica? Encyclopedia Britannica consists of 32 volumes, friends. Important question, previous question. So Britannica consists of 32. Out of four option, D correct answer. 115 D. 116 question number. Which of the following services designated to identify most suitable document to a specific user? I will repeat question once again. 116th question. Which of the following services is designated to identify the most suitable document to the specific user? Specific user means everyone knows, simple ones, selective dissemination of information. Specific users, list of users. So SDI service, friends. So 116 B correct answer, friends. Next 117. InFed service provided InflibNet to related to. InFed service provided by InflibNet, Information Library Network, related to what? Out of four options, but this in this question, 2 marks are highlighted, two options are highlighted, but right answer is D, friends. Go through Google, I checked it. So D is the right answer, but somebody telling A also related. So we will. This is tentative answer key. I explained so many times. So we will wait for final answer key. 117 also little bit doubtful, friends, but my answer when I check it through Google, usage statistics portal for e-resource counter and sushi complaint. This is the right answer, friends, related to 117th question. D, usage statistics portal for e-resource counter sushi complaint is the right answer. This is the my answer, and we will wait for final answer key. That is the final. Question number 118. Which of the following is the first free open source software in library automation? Koha, friends. Open source software. Newgen, Libsys is commercial, Sol also commercial. Koha is the first new open source software in library automation. Koha, A. 118 A correct answer. 119. In which year Karnataka Public Library Act enacted? So this is a library legislation, friends. Karnataka Public Library Act is enacted 1965. Everyone knows so many public library acts formed. So first one is Tamil Nadu in 1948. So last one is Arunachal Pradesh, friends. So first is Tamil Nadu 1948. In this question, Karnataka Public Library Act is formed in 1965. So 4 options, C is the right answer. 119 C correct answer. One last question and 120 question number. In which year Government of India passed Delivery of Books Public Libraries Act? This is a previous important basic question. Each and every question paper this question is repeated. 1954 is the right answer, friends. B. 128th B is the right answer. So friends, in this is the latest question paper conducted by PSSB yesterday. That means 18th July this examination held. This is I am preparing tentative answer key. In this question paper only 60 questions from library part, remaining rest of questions in GK, some arithmetic reasoning type of questions, English knowledge. So only library part 60 questions with answers I explained. Out of 60 questions, I think 4 questions are doubtful. We will wait for final answers key, friends. Remaining 100% sure answers. Please subscribe, friends, my channel. Please share with your professional groups or Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, any groups or any other source media, whatever. This papers I am uploading, this is the 14th 13th question paper. So far I uploaded already 12 question papers with answers. So please subscribe, please click on bell icon for more question paper in future, friends. Thank you so much.